Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to actually get good with shotguns in Call of Duty Mobile. While mastering shotguns in Call of Duty Mobile can significantly elevate your gameplay, offering unparalleled close quarters combat efficiency. Well, here are a comprehensive guide to help you become a formidable shotgunner in Call of Duty Mobile. Understand shotgun mechanics. Before diving into gameplay, familiarize yourself with shotgun mechanics. Shotguns excel at close range but falter at distance due to their spread pattern. Aim for center mass to maximize damage output. Choose the right shotgun. Call of Duty Mobile offers various shotguns, each with unique characteristics. Experiment with different shotguns to find one that suits your playstyle. Popular choices include Striker, HSO 405, and BY15. Optimize loadout. Customize your loadout to complement your shotgun choice. Equip attachments like extended mags for increased ammo capabilities, laser sight for improved hip fire accuracy, and quick draw for faster aiming. Map awareness. Develop a keen understanding of maps to capitalize on shotgun advantages. Utilize tight corridors, buildings, and enclosed spaces to engage enemies within optimal range while avoiding open areas where shotguns are less effective. Movement and positioning. Master movement techniques such as slide cancelling and jump shots to maintain agility and unpredictability. Position yourself strategically to ambush opponents, using cover to approach and evade gunfire. Practice aim and reflexes. Shotgun proficiency heavily relies on quick reflexes and precise aiming. Practice flick shots and tracking moving towards targets in training modes or custom matches to enhance your aim under pressure. And that's how to actually get good with shotguns in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!